Okay, we have the long-awaited Tesla Model SX coat hooks, and here is the package. Open it one-handed and take one out. And let's take a look at it, and you can kind of see the design. So it's got like these little, kind of like a little barb there. If you can see it, I'll hold it against the box so you can see it, and then a hook, which kind of lines up to the profile of this. So the barb goes here, right there, and then the hook goes on top. So we will attempt to do this while still holding the camera and get the barb in place, and then kind of snap the hook in at the same time. And I believe we are now in place, and that is it. So it is definitely in, and it really is subdued. You can hardly see it. It's a perfect match. It's flush. Now let's take a coat and see what the functionality is. So coat fits on there really nicely. It's not going anywhere. It's snug. Definitely good job, Tesla. So there it is. Like I said, it looks almost like it's factory. We'll take this off and you'll see it is really blending in nicely. And I'm very pleased. Worth every penny.